So your PlayStation 5 isn't working. It won't turn on but it beeps, or it doesn't beep at all. Maybe it's stuck in the rest mode, or you see the white power LED but the screen stays black. Whichever the case, I've got you covered with this 5 quick and easy troubleshooting that will get your PS5 booted up. First, let me share a simple trick. You can try inserting a disc into your PS5 console if it's not the digital version. Don't try to force it inside though. Your PlayStation should detect it and turn on its own. Thank me later. If that didn't fix it, then let's move on. There's 3 categories of this problem. You can use the timestamps to jump to the chapter that's relevant to you. And at the last portion of our video, I've also included a troubleshooting process that will work if other methods don't. First, we'll cover if your PS5 beeps when the power button is pressed, but then doesn't turn on, or if it doesn't stay on after booting up. This may happen if your PS5 is overheating. So if it's running hot, then move it to an area that's well ventilated. And if it's too dusty, then clean it thoroughly, and your problem should be fixed. Now, if your PS5 doesn't have power, or if you're pressing the power button, but you don't hear any beep and it does not turn on, then start by unplugging the power cable from the back of your console, and wait for at least a minute. Then plug it back in, and try turning on your PS5. If it won't turn on, then try the following things. First, try a different power cord. Then, if it's plugged into an extension socket, insert it directly into a wall outlet. If it's already connected to a wall socket, try a different one. Or check if the socket is working by plugging some other devices, such as a phone charger. If your console still won't turn on, unplug the power cable again, and then power cycle it by keeping it unplugged for around half an hour. After doing this, your PS5 should boot up. Let's move to the third case. Your PS5's power LED is turned on and static, but you don't see anything on your monitor or TV. This issue is often caused by bad HDMI connection. Make sure that the HDMI cable is connected firmly at both ends. You can also try a different HDMI cable and check if the monitor or TV display you're using works when connected to a different device. If it doesn't work, then the display may be broken. Fourth case, your PS5 is stuck in the rest mode and you can see the orange LED. You can fix it by manually restarting your console. Just hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Then it will turn off with a beep. Then just turn it back on and it should boot up right away. Now, if none of this helped in your case, then don't lose hope. You still have some aces up your sleeve. For the following process, we will start up our PS5 in safe mode. Make sure your console is turned off completely. Now, to go to recover your safe mode, hold down the power button until you hear the second beep. And you should see the recovery screen. And connect your controller to your console using the charging cable. Press the PS button, and we will start by restarting your console from here. Just press the X button while it's highlighted, and your console should restart. If this doesn't work, then enter the safe mode again by following the same procedure and try option 2, which is changing the resolution. This will fix black screen issue caused by unsupported resolution. If that didn't work either, then jump into safe mode again and go to 6th option. From here, choose rebuild database. This may take a bit of time to complete, so you need to be patient. If this wasn't enough either, then as a last resort, you can go ahead and reset your PS5 from safe mode. This will erase everything that's on your PS5's internal storage, and you need to set up your PlayStation again. But it's worth trying, as there's a high chance this will fix any issues you're facing now. So that's all that I have for now. I really hope that this helped you out. Please make sure to leave your feedback and questions below, and we'll be there with you shortly. Happy gaming!